Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my first fall series video. Today I am taking you guys to Dollar Tree and we are going to find some fun little cheap DIY projects for fall that you guys can easily do at home. And I have seen some other YouTube videos on Dollar Tree hauls and they have awesome stuff this year. So I'm really hoping that this Dollar Tree has their fall stuff out because it's August 30th. So fingers crossed that it's out. It is so hot outside too. It's 91 degrees. So enough chit-chatting and let's go shop. I just walked out of the Dollar Tree and I just wanted to show you guys what I got really quick. So I put it all in the back of my trunk just to do a little haul before I got home. So I got these cute little burlap pumpkins. I thought that these would look really cute on my coffee bar. And then I also picked up these leaves. They were $1, of course, because they were at the Dollar Tree, but they were really cheap. And you know, they give the coffee bar a little bit of a pop of color, so I thought that looked really cute. And then I picked up these ceramic pumpkins. I love these. I think they look so cute. And I got this one for my living room. And then these two teal ones, I think I am going to either put in my kitchen or the bathroom. I don't know. I just thought that they were really pretty. And then I went with these two little clips. These are like for like a wreath or anything that you really want to do with them. I just figured I would find something to do with them. And then I found these metal little things. I don't really know what I'm going to do with them yet, but I really liked what they said and they'll look cute like in the house, especially through like fall and stuff. And then they had this really cute picture frame. I thought this was nice for my living room. These little burlap leaves, I don't know what I'm going to do yet either with them, but I figured like I could either, you know, put them in my coffee bar, hang them from a garland. I'm not sure yet. I picked up this really cute picture for my bathroom. I couldn't believe it when I saw it in there. It looks really cute. It looks like it's from like Kirkland's or something, so I was excited when I found that. And then the last thing I got was this little sign. I love these. These look like they're from like Hobby Lobby or Kirkland's as well. I just thought that this was really cute and I don't know where I'm going to put it yet, but I'll find a home for it. So for my first project, I decided to make a cute kitchen sign. I tried using the 5x7 picture frame, but noticed it was too small for those metal fall words. Luckily, I had an 8x10 picture frame downstairs in the basement that I wasn't using, so I decided to use it. The burlap is from Walmart that I had left over from kitchen curtains, and I thought it would make a cute background. Once my hot glue gun was ready, I glued the piece to the burlap, and when it cooled down, I pulled off the extra glue so you couldn't see it. I love the way it came out and I think it looks really good. second project, I took a glass jar that I already had in my bathroom and I just sprayed it with some Windex so it looked nice and clean. I decided to fill it with the burlap leaves. The leaves have a metal piece in them, so it makes it easy to bend them exactly where you need them to. I took the little pumpkins off of those clips and I filled the jar with them. I love the little size of these pumpkins. It was like perfect for the jar. I decided to save the little clips for next year though, just in case if I decided to do something else with the pumpkins, I still have those little clips. I also hung up that cute little farmhouse sign next to my shelves and I love the way it came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it helps you with some ideas for fall. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another video this week and a new fall video next week.